Dry conditions here in Southeast Texas have been causing fires too, but thankfully on a smaller scale. Earlier this month, a home in Beaumont was engulfed after a transformer ignited grass nearby and the flames spread. Luckily, no one was hurt there. Certainly, the drought has highlighted the need for more firefighters. Unfortunately, Beaumont is short on firefighters right now. The city says this is the time. If you've ever thought about becoming a firefighter, just get involved now. This year, the department got a brush truck to help first responders. But more firefighters really can decrease the chances of fires getting out of hand. That's why officials are encouraging anyone who's qualified to apply. Well, you've got to be hired before you turn 36. You also need a firefighter and EMT certification. Also keep in mind that firefighters do what they do to save lives.
Sometimes this is that person's worst day in their life. Their house is on fire, or they're having a real serious medical emergency. So you got to condition yourself to be ready to handle those types of situations.
The department hopes to build up its roster so they're ready to act fast.